Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Faisal. Today we are diving into 5 must-have skills that a Python developer should have mastered right now. You are just starting out or you have been into coding for a while and level up. These are the foundational skills I wish I have known when I was doing projects and going for the interview. In this video you will know exactly how to focus on and go from just writing Python code to become a developer who everyone wants to hire. If you are new to this channel, subscribe now and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the upcoming videos where I will guide you about Python, automation, web development, AI, machine learning, and many other new things and real world scenario based project tutorials. In the end of this video, I will give you a bonus tip to grow and enhance your uh, programming skills. I think I know Python syntax, that's enough. But what really sets a developer apart is how to solve problems and how to implement solutions of that problems, use data structures, loops, comprehensions, lists, dictionaries, and many other data structure terms and phenomena to enhance the software and make it efficient and accurate, and write a code which is maintainable and other coders can read or and amend it. Counts occurrences in a list using a dictionary. Understanding these fundamentals means you will be able to apply Python in many real world scenarios, from automation scripts to web backends. Industry sources say Python's demand continues to climb because it's used for glue code, automation, backend, and many more. So, your first focus sharpen up fundamentals, practice simple coding problems, get comfortable with built in data types, loops, comprehensions, functions, classes. Once you have got that, you will feel more confident when frameworks and real world tasks come your way. You can use LeetCode and HackerRank, and there are many other platforms available. Knowing raw Python is good, but in real world, you will be using frameworks for backend, front end, automation, AI, machine learning, and employers expect you to at least know a one framework. For example, you know Django, Flask for backend. You can use different libraries for automation, or you can use NumPy, and there are many frameworks available. You don't need to know everything, every framework. You only need to know or master one framework, and you will be get hired and will be praised. Knowing raw Python is good, but in real world, you will be using frameworks for backend, front end, automation, AI, machine learning, and employers expect you to at least know a one framework. For example, you know Django, Flask for backend. You can use different libraries for automation, or you can use. Here's a quick look at simple Django app. In this app, you can see URLs, templates, routes, and many other things. Knowing how to build APIs, handle routing, work with middleware, authentication, these are key. If you can see in your CV, built a REST API with Fast API or developed a backend with Django integrating MySQL, you will stand out. You must know how to connect Python code with data. That means working with databases using Django ORMs and knowing basic query skills. Django model finance related. Here's how you query it, filter it, order it. If you don't know how to process data, you are limiting yourself to toy scripts. Real apps need data. Also understand simple SQL, select, insert, update, delete. Even if you are using ORM layer, knowing what happens behind the scenes makes you stronger. So make this one of your core skills. Build a small project storing data, retrieving, updating, filtering it, and showing analytics about that. That will be a huge plus point and advantage. Version control, testing, debugging. You will be surprised. Many developers skip this and feel very badly in real world workspace. You know that developers who know GitHub, version control, testing and use debugging tools, they stand out and outperform others who don't know. So build this into your routine. Commit frequently, write small tests and use debugging tools. It will pay massively when you work in teams and your project grows from small to big project. Use Python for automation, scripting and general purpose tasks, not just web or data science. This shows versatility and often leads to freelance work, side projects and real economy value. Python growth shows how it's not used in data science but for automation, backend and glue code. Employers love this because if you know how to automate your small task, for example, you have hundreds of files and you want to rename it, make a small script, it will do in seconds. Or many other things. For example, if you want to send an email after 1 hour or specific interval, you can write a script. It will automatically send that email and perform that task, and it will save your time and increase your productivity. Since you are learning Python and many jobs today want full stack developer or backend devs, consider how web development fits in it. For example, you can learn React or any front-end framework with the skills you already know, like problem solving, data structures, version control. You can make a makeup of it and enhance your skills, and you will be highlighted more if you can also add front-end to your toolkit. By using Python, for example, using Django API or Fast API, you can build REST API, connect it with database, use React for front end and connect all and make a full stack app. It will stand out of you from rest of the beginners, because in this time where AI is taking out many simple tasks, AI is not going to replace you, but if you don't focus on your muscle memory, your coding basics. In this video, we discover fundamentals, data structures, databases, different frameworks, ORMs, automation, and web development. Tell me on which you are working on and leave a comment. If you need help, I will guide you. If you are new to this channel, do subscribe, like and share, and comment below on this video on which topic you want me to make a video. There are many upcoming tutorials about Django, automation and many other things are upcoming.